Okay, we're recording on center metering mode. Last recording was on full meter. So let's hope we can see difference from this. I don't know what it's going to give us, better or worse, so let's see.
Camera's on the back, it's weighing on my back end, it's not making me
Spin out on the back. So I need to change the camber and the toe in or toe out or something. I need to tweak with it. So let's see. I'll get back to you guys on the next video.